In this video, we're going to talk about how to sell your services as an agency or freelancer. This is a use case that we are extremely familiar with because Spiffy was actually born out of our marketing agency, where we implemented large marketing campaigns for household name authors, speakers, thought leaders, influencers, and personal brands. So we definitely know all the pain points of sending out invoices and chasing clients and reminding clients those awkward conversations when they don't pay. And so one of the things that we did to streamline our agency and allow us and our team to focus more on our best work and not on all the busy work was actually create productized service offerings, simplify our offering, and get all of our clients on payment plans and subscriptions or retainers. Spiffy is a great solution for freelancers and agencies because we make it easy for your customers to pay you, make it easy for them to update their payment information, and we have a whole suite of features that help you trigger follow-up based on a variety of different billing events, but more commonly failed payment, card expiring, card expired, so on and so forth. So Spiffy is an end-to-end solution for your freelancer or agency business. And let's jump in and take a closer look at these features so you can see exactly how Spiffy will make it not only easier for your customers and clients to pay you, but also easier to track different things like failed payments, outstanding balances, and make managing your agency or freelancer business that much easier. Let's jump in. All right, here we are in the Spiffy checkouts list. We're going to dive deep into how to use Spiffy and some of the main features to use Spiffy if you are an agency or freelancer. We know this type of business well. Spiffy was actually born out of our marketing agency. We were implementing product launches and marketing automation services and building websites for a lot of our clients back in the day. And long story short, understand all the pain points of invoicing and chasing down clients for payments. And we made a big pivot to one, productizing our services, and two, getting all of our clients on retainers or subscriptions so that we didn't have to waste time, effort, and energy creating all these invoices for our clients every single month, following up with them, reminding them to pay us, and it would just create these awkward situations. So we just got everyone set up on subscriptions, had them pay us on time every single month, and didn't have to worry about it. So there's really two different categories of features that are really beneficial in Spiffy. One of those are the subscriptions, as I just described. The other one is payment plans for large dollar projects. So if you have a retainer-based agency, the first thing that you'd want to do is pop over to your subscriptions tab, create subscription products that match your services. I created this one product called Agency Services and stuffed a few things in here. You might create several different products, but here is a service retainer for walk, run, and sprint, and then also some tech services for website hosting and changes for some monthly recurring ideas. But you also might do something more project-based, like having a website build where there's a predefined process, a pretty predictable flow to it. You know that you're going to go through the different stages of that process from the design, build, and delivery and revision in about 90 days or whatever it is. And you just want to break out payments in a payment plan. So we're going to set up that scenario. So under this Freelancer plus agency checkout, I've got a few things set up. This is an example of selling what I'm calling the website flight package for a website build for around $7,000. And we want to add some payment plans to break up that $7,000 payment over the course of several months. So I'm going to click to add a section and click payment plans, and Spiffy will automatically add a couple different payment plans here, a 1 pay and a 3 pay. We can choose to add a finance fee, and we can type in a specific percentage, or we can also type in a specific dollar amount. So maybe if we break it out into 3 payments, maybe we want that to be $7,500. So it'd be 3 payments of $2,497. Hit calculate. Spiffy will automatically calculate what that finance fee is. Let it save. And so now people can choose either a pay in full option or break it up over 3 months. You can also remove the 1 pay option and only have a payment plan option. So if it's strictly a $2,497 per month for 3 months type pricing model, you can set it up so that there's not a pay in full option. It's strictly a payment plan option. As you can see, if you do set it up this way with a finance fee, by default, a finance fee will be listed as a line item. You can also hide the finance fee in the order summary. If you're doing a payment plan only checkout, you definitely wouldn't want to set it up this way. You would just add the total number of payments and add a 3-pay with no finance fee. So that would be the best way to do that. I'm going to add the 1 payback just for this example purpose. So you have a 1 pay and a 3-pay. You could also position this as like a pay in full discount. So you can position it as, hey, it's a 3-month project. It's $24.97 per month. Or if you pay in full, you can save some money, and it's only $6.97. So we could do something like save 5% or whatever it comes out to be, and have a little call out there. So that is some cool things that you can do with payment plans. Another cool thing that you can do with services and the freelancer agency use case is add add-ons for either different courses, different trainings, maybe one-on-one consultations, or additional services. Obviously, you're selling a website. Maybe you have an SEO package, so you can add an add-on and have an SEO package basic for $4.97. And so you can add different things that people can add to their order, like ordering from a menu. So you can have those display as little add-on boxes, or you can also have them display as options. Options can be checkboxes, which means they can select multiple options, or they can be radio buttons, which mean they can only select one from the list. So you'd probably want to set up checkboxes, and you can have them display in different formats. And you could also set up different upsell offers like this. So I'll enter a couple different SEO packages here. So I've added 3 different SEO packages here: SEO Basic, Premium, and Platinum. And I can add a label, choose your SEO add-on. And then I could also give these packages different price points. The price points could be a single pay or a subscription. I'll just do a single pay for now. So SEO Basics, $4.97. Premium is $6.97, and Platinum is $9.97. So hit save. Now these different options here are selectable. You could also add description text and different things here to describe what's included in all of them. But you kind of get the idea that you can use the different options in the Spiffy editor to add different selections that people can buy in the checkout process. So obviously in this specific example, you'd probably want them to be radio buttons, but maybe you have SEO, content creation, and graphic design or logo development or something, right? Where they might want to add multiple other services to their website design. Also in Spiffy, a really cool thing is our upsell flows. So you can actually create post-purchase one-click upsell and downsell flows based on what they buy on the original checkout. So if they don't take any add-ons, you could also send them to an upsell offer that explains the importance of SEO and how important it is to at least start with the basic package to get results. And so depending on whether or not they select an add-on or one of these SEO packages, for an example, you could actually send them to an upsell that helps educate them on the importance of selecting at least the basic option. The great thing about Spiffy is that not only is it an amazing tool to implement for your business, but it's also a tool that you can use to implement for your clients. When we were an agency, we were always looking for low input, high value services that we could implement for our customers, and anything around optimizing checkouts, optimizing revenue through one-click upsells or downsells, billing automation features when it comes to recouping and preventing failed payments. Spiffy makes it really easy to implement systems that work 24/7, 365 for your clients where you can charge a premium for getting really good at setting them up. And you can charge, several $1,000s for something that you streamline the implementation of. And it might only take you 4 to 6 hours to set something up, where you can charge based on the value that it provides to that business versus the time that it takes to build. So as you can see here, this checkout flow editor is quite simple. Our upsell pages, we have our hosted templates, or you can design custom upsell pages on your own page builder. It could be WordPress, Squarespace, Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, any page builder that you're familiar with. You can build the content and then just give the buttons functionality to charge or move to the next step. As I just mentioned, billing automation is another piece of the equation. So not only do we make it easy to charge for payment plans and subscriptions, but we also have billing automation settings. We have default billing automation emails that go out for failed payments, card expiring, and card expired. And we also have different billing related events for failed payment, card expiring, card expired, where you can trigger custom follow-up campaigns that you build in your CRM and marketing automation tools. This is another one of those scenarios that I described as a low input, high value system that you can build for your clients, building out failed payment follow-up sequences in different marketing automation tools, and have Spiffy start and stop those campaigns based off the different actions that your customer takes. We also give you insight into failed payments and aging and cash flow projection for subscriptions and payment plans, so you can keep track of accounts receivables, failed payments, and how long outstanding balances have been sitting there. This report looks a lot more impressive when there's actually data in here, but over here on the right-hand side, you'd see how much revenue is how old, how much revenue is 0 to 10, 10 to 30, 30 to 60, and 60 plus days old. And you can click in and follow up with customers and clients that have outstanding balances. Also, under the reports tab, we have the cash flow projection report that allows you to see the forecast of payment plans due within the next several days, next 30 days, this month, between now and the end of the year. That allows you to manage your business. So not only does Spiffy give you the flexibility to be able to charge the correct amount on the checkout, but it also gives you the flexibility to have insight into failed payments and cash flow projections. And then also we give you the ability to easily manage payment plans and edit them, make extra payments, pay them off. Maybe a customer wants to add additional services, so we make it easy to just adapt their existing payment plan for that use case. So maybe they need to add something, it's a couple more $1,000s. Maybe they want to pay a little bit more per month. And so you can make those adjustments and change their existing payment plan to account for those different edge case scenarios. So with that being said, if you have any questions on how to use Spiffy for your agency or your freelance business, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can email us at support@spiffy.co. Again, that's support@spiffy.co. We're always here to help.